Hello YouTube, this is Stefano again, back with another video, and we're a channel dedicated to just stuff. Just around our home, we're always having to repair things and figure things out or watch other videos and repair things, and we just wanted to add our own 2 cents on how to repair things or pass on other information. And so today's video is about Echo and the Echo blower, or even a weed whacker like those over there. And so many of you probably have had these for a couple of years or whatever. You've noticed that all of a sudden one day, even after working for a while, it started bogging down on you, and it wouldn't go to high idle, or you try to give it some fuel, and it just bogged down, and it idles just fine, it cranks just fine, but it just would not throttle up for you. So I wanted to show you today a real quick fix that I had figured out just a few years ago, just working on one of those little engines over there and dealing with these little carbs that they install on these little Echo engines. So I just wanted to show you today what is a quick fix, and I want to show you what the problem is and what I had done on this one just to set it up, because it was about that time. I had gone ahead and put a new carb kit in this just to double check things. Hoses were fine, breather was fine, and I had good fuel in it. But one thing that I hadn't done yet, that I had done to other engines before, that the issue is right up in here, if you can see it, there's a little black spot, or a little area where a screw is, and that's covered up by a plug. And how do you fix this? How do you get your engine to run on full throttle? What tools do you need? Here's all I used right here. And obviously I put the drill bits in the drill to do that. So what I did, because this right here is this little high idle screw is covered up by a black plug, thanks to California. So don't tell anybody in California that I'm showing you how to fix this today. But it's okay for you, maybe if you live somewhere else. But anyhow, so I took a small drill bit and I gently went in there and drilled out the middle of it, and then went in with a second drill bit, a little bit larger, and it grabbed that plug and backed it right back out. And so then what I did is, if you've ever adjusted a car before, I cranked it, it was idling just fine, and I went ahead and I put the screwdriver in there and made sure it catched, and then I began to give it full throttle, and I had to back it out actually, probably about a half a turn to a 3/4 turn, and it began to idle up just fine. And that was the fix. All I did was take the plug out, take a small screwdriver, go in there, cut it back on, and give it full throttle, and began to back it out. And so basically that is your quick fix. I'm gonna set my phone down, see if I can get it cranked here. Sorry, I do not have an assistant to help today. And it's running just fine. Did not have to go buy a new carb or anything like that, but sometimes maybe just easier for you to do that. But I just wanted to show you a quick fix. If you wanted to try something, if you like working on stuff yourself, I had done that to that old piece of unit over there as well. But anyhow, eventually, I can't remember the name of the carbs they put in these, but eventually they're all gonna give you that issue. So hopefully that helps you with this quick fix. It helped us, and we hope you have a great week. Thanks for watching, Stefano.